Hi, this is Veeti, co-founder and CEO of the SaunaHeater.com. Today I'm here in beautiful Chicago at Bathing Distribution Center. And behind me we have the SaunaLife E7G barrel sauna. These are the highest quality barrel saunas on the market, made in Estonia by SaunaLife. SaunaLife makes the highest quality barrel saunas available in North America, and these are distributed as DIY kits, meaning that when you get one to yourself, it will show up to your driveway as a big pallet and you will put it together yourself. SaunaLife barrel saunas have 81-inch diameter, which makes it a little bit bigger than your average barrel sauna out there. I'm 6'4" myself, and I can sit in SaunaLife barrel saunas pretty comfortably thanks to the lower arc that the bigger diameter creates for these barrels. SaunaLife E7G is specifically a 4-person barrel sauna with full glass front. Thanks to the full glass front, you will get a lot of natural light inside this barrel. However, SaunaLife creates bigger and smaller barrel saunas, so there is something for anyone looking for a barrel sauna in the SaunaLife collection. The structure of SaunaLife barrel saunas is made out of Thermo Spruce, which lasts almost twice as long as cedar when used in barrel saunas. The Thermo Spruce staves used in the structure of SaunaLife barrel are 1.65 inches thick, which provides an excellent thermal efficiency for the SaunaLife barrels. Also, since the staves are that thick, you won't hear the sounds from outdoors as clearly as you do with some of the competitors' little bit thinner structured barrel saunas. The seating inside these SaunaLife barrels is made out of Thermo Aspen, which is a premium Northern Europe wood and is very comfortable to sit in. SaunaLife is known for its ergonomic bench design, which means that you will have a small arc in the backrest and on the bench itself. That makes it a little bit more ergonomical to sit in. All SaunaLife barrels come with watertight shingles kit, which makes sure that the water is directed away from the sauna and the rainwater won't damage the sauna itself. When it comes to the drains inside of the sauna, we have one drain in front and one in the back. So in case you miss your target when making löyly and throwing water onto the sauna heater, the water will find its way out of the sauna thanks to the inside drains that this sauna has. When it comes to the ventilation of these SaunaLife barrels, we have the intake vent on the back wall below the benches and the exhaust vent on the opposite corner, also on the back wall. In these kind of smaller barrel saunas, the door also acts as one exhaust vent, so these saunas are rather well ventilated considering that it's a barrel sauna. When it comes to the lighting of these SaunaLife barrels, you will have one LED light fixture included that you can control either from the remote control placed on the wall outside of your sauna or through an app on your phone in case you have the ability to connect your sauna to a Wi-Fi. Optionally, we will have an e-mood light that you can place on top of the SaunaLife barrel. With that, you can adjust the color and the color temperature of the sauna pretty handily. Other accessories we recommend include the SaunaLife barrel sauna floor kit that will make the floor a little bit more level and make the sauna experience a bit better that way. Additionally, we recommend you to get SaunaLife's accessory package that includes bucket and ladle and few other accessories like thermometer and sand timer. When it comes to the sauna heaters, we recommend that you get an 8 kW sauna heater with the E7G barrel sauna. When it comes to other SaunaLife barrels, we will have recommendations in each product page that will show you available options and the sizing of your sauna heater. Wall-mounted sauna heaters are usually recommended for barrel saunas because they take on the least space when placed on the back wall. Additionally, if you want to get something a bit more advanced, we recommend you to check out the Saunum sauna heaters that will enhance the ventilation and offer you more options when it comes to adjusting your sauna experience. Go and check out the full SaunaLife barrel sauna lineup at the SaunaHeater.com. We will have bigger and smaller barrel saunas available, and even barrel saunas that have 2 levels of benches and benches set on the back wall of the barrel. So there is definitely something for everyone. If you need help selecting the perfect barrel for your needs, don't hesitate to contact us by calling 725-777-5484. This was Veeti from the Sauna Heater. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.